Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating the famous Akai CR-83 8-Track recording deck. This comes from John in my home state of Missouri. It's kind of neat to get a job from where I used to live. This is going to be a quick test because there's just not that much to test on this type of unit. There's no virtual fader, nothing like that. It just plays and records tape. So let's go ahead and pop in the tape, make sure it works.
Circulate, it's a world full of chicks. I love my babies leaving me. Whoa, rag-a-tag-a-boo. Am I really standing out and blues? With a hokey-dokey-mokey shine, I found the answer to my prayer. To die, there never was. Answer to my prayer is you. It's a chugging down the track.
Okay, and that's pretty much it. And even the counter still works on this one. Most counters are no good anymore, but the counter on this one still works. So I'm kind of happy about that. That's pretty much it. That's the problem. It wouldn't play tapes, wouldn't change tracks. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, you'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which leaves me just that much more time for my top quality workmanship to be put into your unit when it arrives at my shop. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, John, for your business all the way from my home state of Missouri, and we'll see you guys next time.